We probably don't need to tell you that it's windy outside, but it is, and there's a wind advisory in effect until 7 o'clock this evening for Kennedy County, Williston County, and Cameron County. Of course, that includes everything from Raymondville all the way down to Brownsville and to the north from there up to about the checkpoint. Let's look at these wind gusts just this last hour, and this is why that advisory is in effect. 41 to 43 miles per hour up and down the I-69E corridor. Port Isabel about 36 mile per hour wind gusts this last hour. Still windy, but not as windy when you get in the western part of the valley and you get to Starr County. Drops off pretty quickly, but still pretty good wind, especially in the coastal counties this afternoon. Temperature wise, it certainly warmed up. We made it to 95 right now in Rio Grande City. A lot of the valley, in fact, all the valley still in the 80s. McAllen at 88 after touching 90 this afternoon. 81 at Port Isabel, 82 at this hour in Brownsville. Overnight tonight, temperatures go a little cooler than last night, but not much, by maybe 1 or 2 degrees. That's about it. Wind stays up much of the night. It'll die down. Once temperatures get to these numbers, we could see a little fog around the area. But then tomorrow, warm, but not as warm as today. Instead of being close to 90, we'll be in the low to mid 80s in most areas, about 77 at the beach. And this courtesy of a front that's going to slide through first thing tomorrow morning and cool it off just a little bit. Not dramatically so. The normal high is 77. Are going 80, 77, 79 the next 3 days. So we kind of hover right near or slightly above the seasonal norm. Now, this is a look at your satellite. We're seeing some high clouds stream across right now, but that's about it. Otherwise, skies been mainly blue this afternoon. Overnight tonight, it stays that way, but here comes our front tomorrow morning. Behind it, looks like things will dry out. There could be a sprinkle or two with the front. We went ahead and put a 10% chance in there because, again, maybe a brief sprinkle, but that's it. That's certainly not the flavor of the day. We end up with partly sunny skies tomorrow afternoon. Much lower humidity. You'll notice that. Friday we start with some clouds, but we end up with some sunshine again. Eventually that wind's going to come back out of the south or southeast, and that'll bring moisture back in. When that happens, well, we throw that 20% chance in for spotty showers come Saturday. Nothing big, nothing widespread, but spotty stuff very much a possibility. We're certainly among the warmest in the state. Laredo's 89, McAllen shows 88, 66 in Dallas, 79 in Austin. There's some rain in North Texas. That's where our front is. It continues pushing south and eastward, comes through tomorrow morning. Secondary surge of cooler air to the north makes Friday, Saturday, just a little cooler, but not much. Next week we watch another front will come in. First our warm front goes back to the north Saturday into Sunday and warms it up, and then Monday the next front comes in, brings us a chance for rain again. Quick check of the travel weather. San Antonio in the morning 58, Dallas 51, Houston in the 60s. Most of the state warms up at least into the 70s tomorrow afternoon. So for tonight, an isolated shower with that front late night, early morning, mainly some drizzle, then patchy fog, and tomorrow same thing. Maybe a sprinkler or two, but nothing more than that, then breezy and warm. Your high tomorrow around 80 degrees. A little cooler Friday. Saturday, a spotty shower shows up in the forecast. We're breezy and warm again, up to 86 on Sunday. Monday, another front gets close. Tuesday, a little cooler with a shower. Mostly sunny again by Wednesday of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.